Hi viewers, this is Shaurav, an English trainer. Now most welcome to my channel once again. Today I gonna to share another important topic from English grammar, that is the uses of have and has. So before knowing this lesson, it would be better to listen a good concept. Okay? इंतजार करने वालों को उतना ही मिलता है, इंतजार करने वालों को उतना ही मिलता है जितना कोशिश करने वाले पीछे छोड़ के जाता है. So from this concept it is clear we have to move forward to reach my goal, your own goal. So to reach your goal, what you have to do? You have to move forward. Nobody is there to give you your target. So it is said, कोशिश करने वाले को कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों को कभी हार नहीं होती. One who tries, he never fail. Fortune ever favors the brave. So that is why you have to move forward to have your target. Okay, now enter our topic today, that is the uses of have and has. Okay, to comprehend this topic I am giving four box. What I have to do? You have to open each box. Okay, so after completing your task you must understand the uses of have and has, and you never ever forget the uses of have and has throughout your life. I challenge you, just watch the video till the end. Now look at the first box. Now open. So here is a lesson, that is person. So now you have a question, what is the need of knowing person? Yes, there is a certain importance of knowing person before knowing to the uses of have and has. So in English, persons are three types: first person, second person, third persons. So what's the persons? Persons means we all are classified into three types: first, second and third persons. Okay, now first person singular I, first person plural we. Next, second person singular you, second person plural you. Third person singular he, she, it, and any name remains in third person singular. And next, third person plural. So person is needed here because the uses of have and has, you have to use it here in the first person, second person and third person plural. Have is used. Okay, and only in the case of third person singular, means he, she, it or any name, here has should be used. Is it clear? Only in the case of third person singular you have to use has. So that is why in the first box we are here to know about the pronoun, we have a person. Okay, now open at second box. Now in the second box I gave few small sentences. Okay, look it here. I have, we have, but it is very important to use two languages to comprehend this concept properly. So that is why being a Bengali, I use Bengali as a second language. Okay, so look it here. I have, amar ache, we have, amader ache. What you have to do? You have to memorize. You have to memorize properly. Okay, nothing is there, only one task that you have to do, you have to memorize. I am giving few seconds to memorize these sentences. That's very important. Just memorize. Okay. Now in the third box, the lesson is very important. That is the uses. Okay. Now look it here. Amar ache. What would be your answer? I have. Now next, Amar ache pen. Then what would be your answer? I have a pen. Next, Amar ache ekti pen. What would be your answer? I have a pen. Next, Amar ache ekti kalo pen. What would be your answer? I have a black pen. I am just simply adding words one by one. But Amar ache, I have instant. That you have to add one by one. Okay. Next, Amar ache ekti sundor kalo pen. I have a fine black pen. Next, Amar ache ekti খুব সুন্দর কালো পেন. I have a very beautiful or fine black pen. So in through this way, you have to develop your sentence by using have and has. Okay. Now I am giving another example. Riya ache. What would be your answer? Riya has. Riya is a name, so we cannot use have here. Riya ache boi. What would be your answer? Riya has book. Riya ache ekti boi. Riya has a book. Next, Riya ache ekti golpo boi. Riya has a story book. Isn't it? So what I am doing here, I am adding one by one words with I have, Riya has, and after that I am adding one by one. So in through this way, you have to practice in your home using the two words have and has. Okay. Now this is the last box. Now open the box. Okay, in this box there is a lesson. That lesson gives us 4 square, and in each square you will find out few words. Now what is your task? That you have to take out one by one and make your own word by using have and has. So one is done for you, and do the others and check your answer by your teacher or whatever your parents, or you can send our comment box and we will check it. Okay. And I hope that this lesson gives you a proper process to understand have and has, and do share your comment, your merit, demerit, whatever we have, do share, and have a good day. Bye.